Hello, I'm Vince, teacher with 20 years of experience and proud Notion ambassador. Notion is the all-in-one app with 20 million users. It's an incredible tool, but it needed a book. Notion is one of the most compelling products on the market today. With Notion, you can visually organize ideas, projects, creative writing, and more. It can be used as a task manager, a second brain, a content library, or even as a fully fledged CRM. The outcome is always the same. You become more efficient. Notion is a terrific tool, but first steps are often a bit difficult. It's so versatile, it sometimes becomes overwhelming. Notion Easy Start is the book you need to skyrocket your knowledge about Notion. It takes you from zero to creating content, organizing your personal and professional life, and becoming more productive. Hello, I'm Vince, and welcome to No Coder Pro, featuring Notion Easy Start. First and foremost, I would like to thank the Notion community. I received so much support from everyone in the Notion community. August Bradley, Thomas Frank, Alex Sherwood, Kim Pinelli, William Nutt, Will Eliwell, Jill Metcalf, and all the French Notion community and its incredible Discord server, with Camille, Shubham, Milena, Audrey, Jérémy, François, Seb. The list goes on. I'm also very honored that Ben Lang, the head of community at Notion, accepted to write the foreword of this book. Francisco was also so supportive, thank you. And did you see this cover? That superb rocket was created by Eloise Visser, who also created gorgeous illustrations for every chapter. Along the 8 chapters of this book, you will get all you need to get started with pages, subpages and structure, databases, keyboard shortcuts, relations and rollups, formulas, the basics of a good dashboard, and even an introduction to the wonders of the API and automations, all with detailed explanation and lots of screenshots. In this book, I take a block-oriented approach. Obviously, everything is about blocks in Notion. I show you one thing at a time and explain how to do it in 3 steps. This book is for people who have heard about Notion and want to try it out, but are a bit afraid to make a leap on their own. With Notion Easy Start, we break down the essential features and workflow of Notion to make it as simple as possible for new users to pick up and use. This book appeals to people that would like more time to get acquainted with this incredible tool. So many great templates exist, but do they really help you understand how Notion works, or you can make it your own? I don't think so. Not the usual templates that contain no explanation at least. I think you learn by doing, not just watching. YouTube videos are great, and so many creators do an excellent job showing you how they work with Notion, but they may go too fast for you. Notion Easy Starts offers you 250 pages to take your time and learn at your own chosen rhythm. Reading this book will give you a great overview of what Notion is and how it can be used to change the way you work forever. Notion Easy Start is available on different platforms you can find in the description of this video. You will also find videos that go along this book on the No Coder Pro YouTube channel. All the links are in the description. There is no paperback version of this book yet, but if you think there should be one, be sure to contact me to maybe make it happen. Get your copy today and enjoy a nice rebate. Skyrocket your Notion. I hope this book will help you and that you will soon join the Notion community on LinkedIn, Reddit, Slack, Facebook, and so many more. Once again, I'm Vince. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell. Be kind in your comments because trolls are only fun when they dance, sing, or hug. Until next time, be kind, be brave, be the best version of yourself. Thank you, bye bye.